And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is a new year, so reflecting on 2023. I hope you guys have had a new year ever, and I hope 2024 is the year for you. So first things first, I'm going to reflect on 2023 and what I have done throughout the whole year, and then obviously I'm going to be talking about 2024, what I would like to happen and what I want to do for myself. So without further ado, let's get on to reflecting 2023. So at the beginning of the 2023, I took a screenshot of everything that we've been doing throughout the year as well, so I will be popping up pictures up on the screen as well. But at the beginning of the year, I thought, you know what, I will screenshot my YouTube of the subscriber count and see how much it's grown throughout the whole year. So, as I said, I will pop up a picture up on the screen for you guys so you can see the difference as well. So from the start of 2023, I had 116 subscribers, and it has gone up a lot. You guys will see at the end of the video as well. But yeah, as soon as I started 2023, I started at 116 subscribers, and I'm so glad that it's going up, and I love you all guys so much. Keep subscribing, keep liking my videos, keep commenting. I'm always commenting back to you guys as well. As you guys knew that we was redoing our bedroom, we were decorating it, buying all new furniture, doing pictures up on the wall. It's in from the 24th, that's when I started taking pictures and everything. Obviously we must have started it a bit earlier than that, but starting from the 24th of January, that is when we started buying bits for the bedroom, like lampshades, bedside table lamps, started doing like the painting and stuff. Obviously I will put a picture up on the screen. All the pictures up on the screen that I will show you guys will have the dates as well of when we actually started. And yeah, the bedroom has progressed a lot, as you guys would have seen in the bedroom updates. There's still a few more to go. I have bought more Desenio prints, which is going to go above my Hollywood mirror, which you guys will see in another video. And I will pop a picture up on the screen. But on the 28th of January, it was my best mate's birthday on the 27th, but obviously that was a Friday, so we went out on a Saturday. So on the 28th of January, went out for my mate's birthday. Obviously I'll pop up a picture. I can't remember what kind of place we went to now. It's like, that was way back in January, but it was someplace in Maidstone. However, I've all booked it and everything. It was a lovely night. At the 2nd of March, again, I will pop a picture up on the screen for you guys. But on the 2nd of March is when I got my beautiful new dressing table. I'm still in love with it to this day. I absolutely love it. I keep changing things above the top of the dressing table, which you guys would see. I've got all these at the moment, but yeah, I keep changing it about, moving things about. I've already organised the inside of my dressing table, which you guys would have seen in the organisation video. You guys absolutely love that video, and the organisations for the Alex Nigels as well. You absolutely loved them videos. I personally didn't think that anyone was going to like them, but you guys obviously love them. And if you want to see more organisation videos, well, keep in tune, because there's going to be a wardrobe organisation video coming up quite soon as well. On the 27th of May, again, I will pop up a picture up on the screen, but me and Lisa went to see The Little Mermaid. We absolutely love our Disney films, and when we found out The Little Mermaid was ours, so we had to go and see it. We absolutely love it. They can remake as many Disney films as they like, but personally I would say the originals is always better than the remakes. The remakes are really good, but the originals I will always go back to. But yeah, we went to see The Little Mermaid, and I think there's quite a few Disney films coming out in 2024 as well. So on the 20th of June, that is when we purchased our first Desenio prints. Again, I will pop a picture up on the screen. So if you guys have known, I absolutely love Desenio prints anyway. I've been seeing them all over Instagram, YouTube, and I absolutely love them. And we have actually got our own Desenio prints, 3 big ones above the bed, you guys would have seen in the picture. And I bought 3 more to go atop on my dressing table, which obviously that's coming in the new year, so there'll be another kind of update and showing you what the prints are. They are perfect for my dressing table area. They symbolise me, they symbolise my dressing area, and I absolutely love it. And we're going to get one more just to go above this cupboard door, and it's going to have mine and Nathan's. It's going to be like a customised one. It's going to have mine and Nathan's first picture on there, the day we got together and everything. It's going to be so beautiful, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So on the 7th of July, me and Lisa went to Canterbury to do a bit of shopping. Well, I say a bit of shopping, it was quite a lot actually. I'll pop a picture up on the screen so you guys can see. It was the first time actually going to Canterbury shopping. I've never been to Canterbury shopping before. So that was the first time and I absolutely loved it. We are going again the end of January as well. I think we're going on the 27th, I think, of January. So there's going to be obviously another vlog coming your way, guys. There's going to be a Canterbury shopping vlog and what I got sort of thing. Being strangled by this, but yeah, there's going to be another Canterbury vlog coming up in 2024. There's going to be so many videos coming up your way, guys, so I hope you guys are excited for them. So on the 21st of July, me and Lisa went to see Barbie. Again, I will pop a picture up on the screen. Now, Barbie is, people would class Barbie as like a kids film, you know, it's all more kids. But if you are like me and you've been brought up with Barbie dolls and everything else when you were younger, then obviously once they do a movie of Barbie, you're going to go and see it. Obviously I had to go and see it to see if it was any good. Obviously you got Margot Robbie in there, you got Ryan Gosling in there, and it was actually brilliant. I absolutely loved it. They are making a Barbie 2 apparently, so me and Lisa is going to go and see that as well. There's going to be like Snow White, they're remaking, they're going to be doing like Aladdin 2, and I cannot wait to go and see all of them, plus Cruella 2 as well, and I cannot wait for that. So on the 5th of August, I took my other half to go and see the Meg 2 for his early birthday present. I actually treated him for the whole thing. He didn't pay for nothing. I paid for the meal, I paid for all our drinks and everything, I paid for the cinema tickets, and I absolutely loved it. I will pop a picture up on the screen for you guys. But yeah, it was an early birthday present from me to him. He loved it. We love watching the Meg anyway. If there is going to be any more, we will be going to see them as well. There is a film that we're going to see in the new year as well. I think it's in July sometime. They're going to be doing the Venom 3, so I'm taking my other half to go and see that in July as well. And do you know what? I absolutely love Venom. He loves Venom, and yeah, I'm going to go and take him to see that in July as well. 19th of August, they do our like summer fun fair every year. So me and Lisa went to that. Again, I will pop a picture up on the screen so you guys can see. It's more like a kids thing. Obviously, me, Lisa and my mum used to do it every single year, and it was like a tradition sort of thing for us. It was just the three of us, we always used to go, and then obviously we lost our mum and it was just the two of us, and then obviously we have our own relationships and things kind of just fizzled out. In 2023, and I absolutely loved it. It's a nice little time. Just a few rides, you know, a few stalls. But yeah, we don't know if we're going to go every single year. But 26th of August, I was so excited because I got to unbox my very first Pretty Little Thing beauty box. Now, I didn't know Pretty Little Thing do beauty boxes until I looked it up. There was a few people on Instagram saying that they've unwrapped their beauty boxes, and I thought, do Pretty Little Thing actually do beauty boxes? So I had to look for myself, subscribe to them. And yeah, I bought my very first beauty box. I will pop a picture up on the screen so you guys can see. I absolutely loved it and still love it to this day. I've got to actually sort out my subscriptions because obviously it's kind of stopped through Christmas for some reason. So I've got to sort that back out again. But yeah, I absolutely love the Pretty Little Thing subscription boxes. I do want to do a Pretty Little Thing order as well and make like a little Pretty Little Thing haul for you guys. So yeah, I cannot wait. Of September is when I started buying Halloween bits. And now I normally just have like Halloween candles on and little tea lights, but in 2023 I bought a Halloween blanket and some little cushions as well, and I bought like little pumpkin cushions as well. They looked so cute and I absolutely loved them, and I think I might have to do that like every year now. So yeah, this was the first year of actually purchasing like Halloween like decor and stuff, and I absolutely love it. I think they were so beautiful and so cute. I will pop the picture up on the screen so you guys can see, but yeah, I absolutely love them, and I think I just have to buy like small little bits each year just to grow the Halloween collection up a little bit more. So each year we've just got that a little bit extra, but I absolutely love them. Now the 18th of September is when I got the Imogen makeup delivered to me. So obviously I purchased it way before then. She actually, because Imogen, if you don't know who Imogen is, she's a YouTuber, she's a full-time mum with 2 kids, and she was trying to juggle YouTube life, mum life, and her own business, but because of obviously having 2 kids, doing YouTube, you know, she couldn't run her own business as well. So unfortunately she had to close her Honey Store website. So she done a massive sale on her whole collection, and I managed to get some actually. It was selling out so fast. I managed to get her palettes, her eyeshadows, her eyelashes and her lip kits. But yeah, I will pop a picture up on the screen for you guys. But yeah, I was so happy and so pleased that I managed to purchase some of her products. I would like to get some of her like jumpers and stuff, but they didn't have any in my size, so I thought it's fine. I just bought some of her makeup, that will do me. On the 15th of October I went out for my birthday meal with the family. It was so lovely, so nice to get everyone together. We went to the Harps to have a meal and a few drinks. It was so lovely to get everyone together. I don't know about you guys, but I'm like really family person. I love having like family get-togethers. When we have like summers as well, we have like barbecues as well. We used to have like Christmas at different people's houses each year, but obviously as they're getting older they don't really want to do it. So yeah, it's nice to get the whole family together every, like say like if it like twice or 3 times a year. It's really nice just to get the whole family together and just have a nice time and have a laugh. And yeah, obviously because it was near enough my birthday, it was even more special as well. At the 21st of October, me and Lisa went to Wetherspoons to have a birthday meal and drinks. Again, I will pop a picture up on the screen for you guys so you guys can see. I think I've got a couple of pictures to show you. But we went to Wetherspoons. It was meant to be me, my sister, my best mate and another mate of mine, but unfortunately my best mate was working, she couldn't get the time off. My other mate was on her holiday, so in the end it was just me and Lisa. So it was near enough my birthday anyway, so I thought let's just go out for a meal and drinks, and it was actually quite a nice time, you know. The 25th of November, me and Lisa went to Chatham to do a bit of Christmas shopping. Again, I will pop the picture up on the screen for you guys. We are thinking about doing one of these every year. We don't know whether it won't be exactly the same dates, because obviously in 2024 I'm going to Butlins, so obviously the days will be different. But yeah, we're going to try and do this every year. So do like a nice Christmas shop, go to Chatham, go into the range and buy a load of like Christmassy bits. We're going to try and do it every year if we can. But yeah, it's going to be a new tradition, and yeah, I absolutely love the range when it comes to Christmas. If you've not been in the range for Christmas, I highly recommend, because they have so many beautiful things in there for Christmas. I have absolutely got the vlog as well. I will try and leave all different links for different vlogs as well in the description box below, just in case you guys are interested in. And on the 20th of December, I took a screenshot of my YouTube channel to see how much it has grown throughout the whole year. I've done exactly the same at the beginning of the year, so I know where I started from and how much it's grown throughout the year. So when I started at the beginning of the year, it started at 116 subscribers, and now by 20th of December 2023 it has shot up to 172 subscribers. and it keeps going up every time as well. So yeah, on the 20th of December it was at 172 subscribers. So thank you so much to whoever's subscribed. I love you all so much. Keep subscribing, keep liking my videos. Don't forget to click on the little notification bell next to it as well, so you're notified every time I upload, so you do not miss any uploads. There's going to be loads more videos coming up next year, and I cannot wait to show you all, guys. But thank you all to all the new subscribers for joining. Welcome to my YouTube, guys. Now it's just a quickly recap of what I would like for 2024. So that was just a review of what happened in 2023. So 2024 is a brand new year for everyone, a whole new chapter in your life. You can set your own goals, set your own like resolutions, do your own thing, be you. All I want to do is just set out, I want to just have more me time, just have more, like about an hour before I go to bed. I will write my journals, read a book, have a bit more me time, you know, spend more time with like family and friends. Obviously I do anyway, but try and see more of them. But yeah, that's all I want, is for everyone just to be happy and healthy and enjoy a whole brand new year. You can do so many things. You can travel, you can go to places you want to do. If there's any goals that you want to set, try and reach them by the end of the year. And yeah, I just want everyone to be happy and healthy. So guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. It has just been reflecting on 2023 and what I would like to happen in 2024. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a brilliant new year. If there's loads of goals that you would like to set, try and reach them by the end of the year. I would personally say, if there's any like the stuff that you want to do, write them down, and then once you've achieved them, just tick them off as you go along. And then by the end of the year, you can look back and think, do you know what, I have done so much throughout this whole year. I'm so pleased with myself. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as always. I will try and leave links to every kind of video that I can that's directed to this video, so you guys can click on the link just in case you have missed any kind of videos throughout 2023 and you want to recap on what's been going on. If you're new subscribers and you have no idea what I've been going on about throughout this video, again, I will leave links for videos so you guys can see what I was on about. And yeah, I hope you guys have a brilliant new year. I hope 2024 brings you nothing but happiness, and I'll see you guys in 2024. Love you guys so much. Keep subscribing.